has actually been a problem for a long time and I've been avoiding it. Honestly, I'm just really overwhelmed. Hardest part is starting. I'm gonna start by just removing everything that's in here, and then I'm gonna go through everything once it's out here. So. I want to jump out the window. What's happening? Progress.
Little by little you wear me down.
Mommy is in the closet. Mommy's just cleaning her closet. I need your help. Aussie, help me, Sauce. Help me, Sauce. All right, Bobo. I gotta clean, Bobo. I gotta clean, Bob. I gotta work. You gotta go. You gotta go. Oh, he's so handsome. Oh, he's so handsome. All right, go, guys. Go. Go to bed. You go to bed right now. Go to bed.
Can I go, Dad? Mom. Two hats on.
I got 3 hats on now. All right, you want to help Mom though, for real?
Yeah.
All right, seriously, I need help. Come on.
Oh.
I really do need help. I really do need help, y'all.
Closet is empty. Come on, let's go. Come on. I told them something.
Did you?
Yep.
What'd you tell him? You spilling tea?
Oh yeah, by the way, my mom spilled her coffee on her shirt.
I did spill my coffee on my shirt this morning. And it was hot. But we're still moving on. Okay, so we're empty, guys. So everything is now in here. I didn't put everything into like categories. I just kind of threw everything in here, and I kind of wish I would have like put the shoes in one pile, jeans in one pile, but yeah, this is where we're at. Regather my thoughts and figure out my next step. I feel, again, really overwhelmed.
But I do my best and I like the rest of you.
The boss is coming! The boss is coming! Oh, the bosses are here! The bosses are here! Ozzy, we're on camera, Ozzy! We're on camera! Oh, you guys!
Her leg feels better. It's not as numb. You know, the muscle, she's been walking a lot. And the doctor just came in and saw her and told her if she wanted to go home, she could go home.
Oh, nice.
Or she could wait till tomorrow or Monday.
Nice.
And
How does she
no,
feel?
She feels good. She said she's trying to shake her hips and stuff. I said, slow down, mother. Don't be getting all crazy. So she's going to be able to go home.
Good. Nice.
So.
All right. Make a list for the store so I don't get overwhelmed.
Right. Yeah, I hate that. And then you forget what you really wanted.
Yeah. Alrighty. Well, I'll talk to you in a little bit.
Alright, love you.
Alright, love you. Bye.
Bye.
So I think I want to put lights in the closet. There's these lights that I have in my office, and I really, really like them. They're like battery operated, so really easy. I'm so affected by my space, so I want like every inch of my house to have like a vibe, you know, and I just want like my space to reflect like my good energy, so I can like keep that shit going. I actually shouldn't go to Target. I should probably go to like Ross or something. I don't know whose sweater this is. I think it's my daughter's. Like either she got it for her birthday or it's like one of her friends. But it was in the pile and it was big and comfy and my mood. So whoever this belongs to, thanks. Okay, we're gonna go into Ross first and then we're gonna go into TJ Maxx. They have in store. You like the frog? This is so pretty. It's okay, those are outdoor. That's a cute little tray. Oh, I love this. This is so nice.
Little by little, you wear me down.
I'm getting distracted. I'm actually gonna get 2 of them. They're only for $4.99. Don't hold it loose, okay? Get a good grip. Put your hands on it. Or what feels good to you to hold it?
This way.
Hold it right here with your hands like this. With both hands and that hand like that. There you go. Hold it tight, okay? Good job.
So now we're going to, what is this called now? TJ Maxx.
We got a candle for Anthony.
I already got her.
Are you holding the camera still?
Yeah.
Alright, put it on the TJ Maxx sign. Record that.
TJ Maxx.
Good job.
It's red.
Alright. So many cute things.
I like this. About that.
At Panda getting some lunch, and then I got Mariah and her friend lunch. We're gonna take that to them. They're at Mariah's friend's house, and then I'm gonna go home, or actually yeah, then I'm gonna go home and pick back up where I left off.
No.
I almost did it, but I wanted Panda, so I'm like, I have to get it for her now. Boom, special delivery, ma'am. Love you. Bye. See you later. Yep. I wish I would have gotten one more strand, at least to go to that corner, but it's all good. Got the shoe rack back in here. Picked up this rug and plant at TJ Maxx. And I already had this basket, and I already had that plant and the little vase. Where are the lights? I'm gonna turn the light off so you can see them. This was in my room. I decided to bring it in here. Put my belts. I ended up keeping just a black belt and a white one. Fun print and a tan belt. Put baseball caps here, and I haven't figured out what I'm gonna put here yet.
I'll never be sober. If I left you alone, would you still pick up the